Hey buddy.
Morning, mate. How you feeling?
Feeling good, man. I'm feeling good. I'm awake.
Hey, morning, everybody, and this is day 2 of my vlog. And look who it is.
Boys and girls, yo.
We had a little bit of an adventure out in Adelaide this last night. He went one way, I went another. Ended up calling him in the taxi. I don't even know where I am. I'm lost. I'm lost. And so it's a beautiful day here in Adelaide. It's Saturday. And I think we will go and do something. Tonight, what's on the game plan for tonight?
We've got a 21st, and then we're hanging out with Sandstorm's Darude, mate.
Now, for those who don't know who Daru is in that song, Dance Song, have a listen to this. So, morning has come around and finally Cameron has got out of bed.
It's your boys.
That guy.
Yes.
That guy. It took him about 3 hours to get out of bed. But we're gonna go get some breakfast. I just sang a beautiful song about that. And then we're gonna go head over to the RB office. I don't know why we're going there, but yeah. We're just walking into McDonald's. Cameron, how you feeling, mate?
That's all I can give you right now.
McDonald's. What? Bro. Cool.
Find you.